Hi, this is the Sangean DAR-101 phone recording device. That was the box, and it also comes with this carrying pouch. And here is the user manual. And in there also is the warranty card. This manufacturer gives you a 1-year warranty. And here is the instructions on how to contact them should you happen to need any service on it during the 1-year warranty. Now this is powered either by 4 AA batteries, or if you prefer, you can plug it into the wall because it also includes this AC adapter. The connection is done through any wall jack in your house. If you only have one wall jack in your house, that's okay because it also comes with this splitter. What you do is you plug this into the wall jack, and then that gives you 2 spots now to plug in both your telephone and the phone recorder. Now, how to record phone calls is like this. You plug this into the back of the device, and then the other end plugs into your wall jack. Now you're all set to record all phones in the house, no matter what jack the telephone is actually plugged into, because this is connected directly to the phone line and not any one particular phone. And you can set it up either for manual recording or automatic recording. If you're on manual recording, what that means is that you can just select certain phone calls or parts of phone calls to record. How you do that is just press the record button at any time and the stop button at any time. If you set it on to automatic recording, what it will do is anytime someone picks up a phone for an incoming or an outgoing phone call, this device will automatically record the conversation. Then, when they hang up the phone, it will automatically stop recording. Once you have recorded phone calls onto the device, you can just press the play button and listen to them right from here. There's a built-in speaker. Or if you want to do it in quiet, you can plug a headphone in there. Or if you want to transfer the phone recording files onto your computer, you can do that because they're all saved on this removable SD card. It's compatible with both a PC computer and a Mac because the phone calls are saved in MP3 format. So on a PC, it's going to be using Windows Media Player, and on a Mac, it's going to use iTunes. So this has some other features on it too. I'll just go over quickly. This is the volume knob for when you're listening through the speaker. This is the recording level knob. This is a switch to switch between telephone recording, playing music, or recording reminders for yourself. Which I have recorded one here to give you a sample of the sound quality. I'll just press the play button. Hi, this is a test of the reminder notes. Remember that you're going to meet at 10 o'clock to sign the contract tomorrow. So there you can hear that it's a very high quality sound. If you want to do some in-person recording, you can also plug in microphones here, or on both corners. These are also built-in microphones to do room recording. You can just set that down in a room to record a conversation or a meeting, and it does a very good job of picking up all the people that are talking in the room. Over here is the USB jack to plug in a flash drive if you want to be able to use it to listen to music. On the back there are some various jacks for line in and line out. I don't know, maybe you want to connect a radio and record something off the radio. Now the LCD screen does pop up in case you need a different viewing angle if you have this setting on your desk or something like that. The menu is very easy to read, and you just scroll through there like this. Here you can go into system setup, and for example, here's time and date. You just go in there and set the time. That's very nice because then every phone call, it will capture the time and date of the call. What else is there? You go into recorder setup, and for example, here's the beep is currently turned on. If you want to have it beep during the phone call so that people know they're being recorded, you can have that on. If you want, just turn it off. But this is a very high quality LCD screen. It's very easy to read. You can control the contrast and the brightness if you want. And this machine also is just a very high quality, well-made machine. You can just feel it when you operate it that the workmanship is high quality, and also the sound quality is very good. Out of all the phone recording devices that we've reviewed, this is by far one of the best phone recorders that we carry. It's a very high quality device. So again, this is the Sangean DAR-101 phone recording device.